Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I made this delicious sumptuous Nigerian chin-chin. So if you want to see how I made this chin-chin, keep on watching. So here is the all-purpose flour I'll be using, 800 grams because I'm trying to make a lot. I have here 50 grams of sugar, here a cup of milk, 1 egg, I have my nutmeg, baking powder, and my margarine. Also I have here salt. So now let's get started. So here is my flour. I'm going to be adding in the 50 grams of sugar. Depends on how sweet you want it, you can add in more or less. I'm adding in a pinch of salt. Here I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder, some nutmeg, like half tablespoon of nutmeg. I'll mix everything together. I'll mix all the dry ingredients together like this. Now I'll be adding about 50 grams of margarine also. So I'm going to mix everything together until I get a crumb-like texture. Yeah, just like this, like a crumb. So next I'm going to make a well in the middle, a hole like this, and add in my 1 egg and my milk. Now try to mix everything together evenly to form a dough. If you're not getting the consistency you want, you can try to add in more milk or add in water bit by bit. The consistency of chichi shouldn't be too soft and not too hard. I'm going to show you my consistency now. So here's the consistency I want. I'm going to knead it a bit, like knead with my hands just like this, and put it aside. So next it's time to roll it. So here's my rolling pin. I will use to roll the dough, and I will cut them to the chin-chin sizes. First I'm going to spread in some flour on my work table so they don't stick to the work table. I'm going to be cutting out the dough bit by bit and rolling it portion by portion, just like this. Yeah, I rub in some flour on the rolling pin so it doesn't stick to the flour. Roll it to a reasonably thin size because we don't want a fat chin-chin. So now I'm going to start cutting out my chin-chin. I'm using the pizza cutter. You can actually use a knife if that's what you have to cut out your chin-chin sizes.
But they in the building, hey, is that easy? This music, hey, oh, hey, baby dance ya, ole ya, many music there to play, dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya, this music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya, oh ya, boom, ole. Oh yeah, make you take us slow. It's okay. If he my flow, do for me, my baby. Parabale, if he my flow, come on, make you take us slow. Come on, if he my flow, do for me, my baby.
Dance ya, oh Leia, no they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe. Baby dance ya, oh Leia, no they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ, spin all. They be asking what's my name, they be asking, say what's my name. Oh, nah.
So here's my chinchi. It's now time to fry. So put a pan or a pot on your stove and add in some vegetable oil, corn oil or extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you add in enough oil so you can deep fry your chinchi. Let it get hot and put in your chinchi just like this. Make sure it is deep fried and fry on not too high heat, like a medium heat. Stir and allow to fry. When you start noticing your chinchi is going golden brown, then you know it is ready. You cannot take it out. As you can see, it is golden brown now, so this chinchi is ready. Then you are ready to take it out. If you're the type that wants it to get a bit more brown, you can still leave it. So guys, you repeat same frying processes with the other chinchi until you are done. So that is basically all on how to make the Nigerian chinchi. It's actually a Nigerian snack, very tasty and not so difficult to make. So we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.